How to send a snap with the cartoon face lens. Sending a snap with the cartoon face lens on Snapchat is a fun way to transform your face into a cartoon character. Here's how you can find and use this popular lens. Step-by-step guide to use the cartoon face lens. 1. Open Snapchat, launch the Snapchat app on your smartphone and ensure you're logged in. 2. Access the camera screen. By default, Snapchat opens to the camera screen. If you're not on it, just swipe to the middle screen. 3. Activate the lenses, tap anywhere on your face or long press on the screen. This will activate Snapchat's Lens Carousel at the bottom. 4. Find the cartoon face lens, swipe through the available lenses to find the cartoon face lens. You can also use the search feature by tapping the magnifying glass in the top left corner and typing cartoon face. There are various cartoon lenses, so feel free to try different ones to see which you like best. 5. Use the cartoon lens. Once you've selected the cartoon face lens, the camera will apply it to your face in real time, transforming your appearance into a cartoon style. Adjust the angle or facial expressions to see how the filter reacts. 6. Take a snap. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap the capture button, circle at the bottom, to take a photo snap, or press and hold it to record a video snap. 7. Send a snap. Tap the blue arrow button to send your snap. Select the friend, or story where you'd like to share it and tap send. Tips: save to memories. If you want to keep your cartoon snap, tap the download icon to save it to memories or your camera roll before sending. Try different cartoon styles. Snapchat updates its lens options frequently, so you may find variations like cartoon 3D style or cartoon face 2 that add different effects. Enjoy transforming yourself into a cartoon character with Snapchat's cartoon face lens.